Hello students, you have completed map pointing of Europe in previous video. This video you will do physical features of Europe. North European plains, northwestern highlands, central upland. Alpine system we will not do this in this video. We have already discussed this point. So first North European plains. We will see the location of North European plains on the map of Europe. North European plain is represented by green color in this region. It is an extensive flat land extending between Atlantic Ocean in the west, Ural Mountains in the east, mostly in the northern part of Europe. If you compare both the side of this plain, you will see the eastern part of this plain is broader than the western part. Next, features of North European plain. Important rivers of North European plains are Seine and Rhine river. These are navigable rivers. Danube and Dnieper river. Volga, which is the largest river in Europe. Some important lakes of North European plains are Onega and Lake Ladoga. We will see the location of these important rivers and important lakes on the map. The map of Europe, Seine River and Rhine River draining into North Sea. Dnieper and Danube draining into Black Sea. River Ural and River Volga draining into Caspian Sea. River Volga originates in Valdai Hills. Lake Ladoga, and to the north of Lake Ladoga is Lake Onega. Because of these numerous rivers and lakes present in North European plains, agriculture is the main activity of this region. This region has rich deposits of fossil fuel like coal and petroleum. Next, Northwestern Highlands. We will see location of Northwestern Highland on the map of Europe. Northwestern Highlands are also called as Fennoscandian Highlands. These extend in the regions of Scandinavian countries such as Finland, Norway, Sweden, and other parts in Iceland and British Isles. To understand the features of the Scandinavian Highlands or the Northwestern Highlands, look at the coastline of Europe. These are highly indented. The coastline of Europe are highly indented all over the region. This is due to the glaciation. Glaciation in Northwestern Highlands had led to many distinct physical features like fjords, lakes and marshlands. Fjords are narrow inlets of sea surrounded by high and rugged cliffs. We will see the picture now. Narrow inlet of sea surrounded by high cliffs. Next and finally, central upland. To see the location of central upland, we will look at the map of Europe. The purple color represents the central upland. It consists of Meseta in Spain and Central Massif in France. It also consists of Black Forest in Germany, and this region consists of two broad valleys formed by River Rhine and River Rhone. So that's all for physical features of Europe. Thank you.